Before we get started, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.
Now, personally, I don't plan to sell my silver. I just plan to accumulate silver. And at the moment, I have no goal to sell my silver. There's no point selling it into fiat because fiat currency, in my eyes, is just paper trash. It's rubbish, garbage money. So it's not even money, it's just currency that's being created and printed into oblivion. And I don't want my wealth in fiat, so I keep it in silver instead of fiat currency. Instead of fiat currency, I keep it in silver and cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is more riskier. That's more like my way of hoping to get rich quick, even though I still class it as a long-term investment. But silver is my long-term investment where I just pretty much just store my wealth in there. It's safe. The price is not really volatile. And I know silver is extremely undervalued. I think one day silver is going to be 100 plus an ounce. It should be 100 plus an ounce anyways. I mean, it could even be up to 500. It could be 500 plus an ounce. It could be there anyways when you start looking at the amount of currency that's being printed and the amount of silver that's being mined, and you look at the ratios between the two, how much currency is being printed year after year and how much silver is being mined year after year, and you compare how much money is being created to the actual yearly mining of silver. And when you start looking at those ratios, you start seeing that there's thousands of fiat currency being created for every ounce of silver that's mined. So how the heck is silver just £18 spot price? It should be at least hundreds of pounds spot price. Then you look at the paper silver market, the ETFs, the silver certificates, that's all being traded. And you look at the ratio, how much paper silver is being traded for every physical silver that actually exists. And then you look at the ratio, there's like over 100 and something paper silver being traded. And remember, paper silver is not backed by real physical silver. So nearly 200 paper silver being traded for every ounce of real silver that actually exists. So when you look at this, you see that the silver market is extremely manipulated. Silver is one of those metals that's more useful than gold. It has so much more use cases than gold in industry, manufacturing, in electronics, in medicine, solar panels. I mean, silver is versatile. It's used in so many different ways. It's so useful compared to gold, which is mostly just used for jewelry. So you have silver jewelry as well. So, and a lot of this silver that's used as well is not being recycled. So the silver that's in electronics, anything that has an on and off switch, be sure the parts of silver are in there. So all these silver that's being used, it's not being recycled for the most part. They're getting dumped in some landmine and it just goes to waste and lost. Silver is really undervalued. It's extremely undervalued, even at this price of £18.35. I mean, if you look at this, if you look at the silver all time, in 1980, 7th of January 1980, the price of silver was £17.33, the spot price. Today, the spot price is £18.35. It's just £1 something over the spot price of 1980. It's ridiculous. Silver should be 200 plus an ounce. Everything else has skyrocketed except for silver. Silver is like probably my retirement fund, where some people save cash for retirement. Majority of people, should I say. I put my money in silver, and I'm looking at it that way. Where is the price of silver going to be when I retire? And I have no plans of selling my silver short term. The only way I would sell my silver is if I'm getting into real estate. I'm not selling my silver to hold cash. Like, oh, like silver goes to £50 an ounce. Let me sell for that cash holdings. Nope. Unless I'm selling my silver where I can look at my holdings and I can see what it's worth, not in fiat currency, but what it's worth in terms of property, real estate. What can I buy with my holdings, if I can buy anything with my holdings out there that can generate me cash flow, such as real estate, property, land. And if I could, then that's when I may consider selling my silver for something that can generate me cash flow. Otherwise, I have no plans of selling my silver personally, and I just invest in silver for the long haul of just saving and storing and protecting my wealth. Whereas when I invest in cryptocurrency, which I do, I like crypto and I like precious metals like silver. But when I invest in cryptocurrency, that's more my plan to quickly build wealth and make fast money. because cryptocurrency is the new thing right at the moment. I mean, don't get me wrong, silver and gold is not going anywhere, but cryptocurrency seems to be the space where a lot of money is going to be rushed into it and is being rushed into it. The market cap of the crypto space is low in comparison to the market cap of gold, market cap of precious metals, the market cap of stocks and shares. And I think the market cap of crypto is going to grow tremendously. So I think a lot of money in this decade is going to be poured into crypto. And that's my get rich quick, if I want to refer to it that way. Whereas silver is not for me to get rich quick, it's for me to store my wealth and protect it from what the government is doing, and that is printing currency all day long, every day, creating it out of nothing. This useless currency, it is creating it, but they can't do that with silver, they can't do that with gold, and they can't do that with Bitcoin. I don't buy gold because when you look at the gold to silver ratio, let's see if I can find that right here. The gold to silver ratio at the moment is 82 to 21. So for every 1 ounce of gold, I can get 82 ounces of silver. Why would I want 1 ounce of gold when I can get 82 ounces of silver? I mean, if the ratio was 1 to 10, then yeah, fine. But when the ratio is this much out of whack, where I'm getting 82 ounces of silver for 1 ounce of gold, then I'm buying silver. Because when it comes to skyrocketing, I would make more money or more profit off of my silver than I would with gold, because silver is so undervalued anyways. I'm not interested in buying gold, I'm only interested in silver. Silver has more use cases than gold, and silver is extremely undervalued. Gold is undervalued as well, but silver is extremely undervalued. So I'm only interested in silver as a store of wealth and as a more riskier investment to make bigger capital gains, so that I can invest in more silver, so that I can maybe buy real estate that can generate me cash flow. I invest in cryptocurrency. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to share with you where I buy my silver from. Check out the website silver2go.com. They're based in Germany. You don't pay any VAT on your silver, and if you live in the UK, in the EU, there's no import duties. So what you see on the screen is what you pay. They are definitely a reputable company. I've been buying silver from them since 2018. So let me tell you that 2018 I've been buying silver from this company, and I have not seen anything that beats the prices that they offer compared to the prices that you're going to pay for silver by dealers within the UK. They're VAT free, so you save a lot of money in the long run buying silver from a company like Silver2Go. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching and have a good day.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so as to not miss my next video. Take care and goodbye.